got training to do or pent-up aggression to release, working out with one of these rough and ready punching bags will help you ramp up your speed, strengthen your sparring combinations. A punching bag is a sturdy bag designed to be repeatedly punched. It's essential that you get the right heavy punching bag, especially if you hit hard and often. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Outslayer Boxing and MMA Heavy Bag are constructed using a heavy-duty vinyl outer shell material and filled with a punch-absorbing blend of fabric filler. It comes with a rugged vinyl cover that you can use to transport the bag if you have to take it with you. The filled bag measures 55 inches and has 10-inch straps double-stitched to the top, so it's hung without chains. It comes with heavy-duty D-rings that have extra padding to prevent flipping of the rings. Also, this heavy bag height is 55 inches body length plus another half a foot length of the straps. Besides, it is designed with heavy-duty straps that are already sewn onto the punching bags, so no chains needed. The RDX punching bag is built to endure the rigors of even the toughest gyms. It includes everything you need to practice your technique, test your stamina, and increase your power and strength. It delivers an ideal amount of sway and resistance. Also, it comes with double-stitch durability explicitly designed to withstand most robust training. Besides, the twinned layer offers maximized force dispersion, making it a quality choice for gym or home use. Moreover, it is filled with shredded textiles that give fantastic shock absorption, protecting wrists and hands while returning to its original shape quickly. Additionally, a heavy-duty zip-fastened top closure ensures maximum fill potential, and it is a waterproof bag which can be used outside. The Everlast Omni-Flex freestanding heavy bag comes with a soft foam chamber which provides impact absorption. It has rounded design that allows for smooth movement around the target, increasing cardio and leg conditioning and hand-eye coordination. Also, the Omni-Flex flexible neck allows the bag to absorb powerful punches while reducing base movement. The high-density base can quickly be filled with water or sand, and the solid base provides an easy-to-hit target, maximizing your workout. Another added feature includes the adjustable height that allows for multiple striking positions and can accommodate users of different sizes. The Last Punch heavy-duty punching bag is just over 33 inches tall, which makes it perfect for punching workouts. It's designed to help you work out and develop better swinging skills, and it's both functional and durable. It's constructed using canvas. Also, the premium canvas, along with superior heavy bag construction, provides long-lasting durability and functionality. Besides, the heavy-duty steel chains offer security and safety, increased functionality. With this bag, you can kick into action in no time while working out your muscles and staying fit. You can fill up with whatever you desire, and the bag is 48 inches long with chains, 40 inches without strings, and 17 inches wide. Another unique specialty is that it comes with shaped and balanced for accurate functionality. Claiming the first place among the best punch bags we have, the Everlast 70-pound MMA Heavy Bag. It comes with a 70-pound black Nevitaire double-ended heavy bag. It also includes a pair of MMA gloves, hand wraps, a bungee cord, and an assembly chain. The convenience of an at-home training space will inspire you to make it routine, and the open thumb hand gloves and hand wraps ensure a safe and powerful boxing practice. It features a traditional MMA style with the lack of zipper head, which prevents unnecessary access to the inside of the bag. Also, it can take a high level of action and retain its integrity. Besides, it's a terrific stress reliever that makes a valuable addition to any home gym equipment. Another added advantage is that it offers specially blended filler, providing resilient shock absorbency. The closed cell technology also provides enhanced cushioning and force dispersion. Moreover, it also comes with heavy-duty nylon straps and a double-end loop for added security and safety during use. Thanks for watching! These are the best punching bags in the market. If you liked what you saw, then go ahead and like the video. The bell icon helps you to get notified every time we post a new video.